In this video, we'll show you how to install a tow mirror on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To install a tow mirror on your vehicle, you have to take off the door trim. Open the door. Next, using a car trim removal tool, remove the plastic cover located on the interior door handle. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket, unscrew the 7 power window switch plastic trim bolts. Then, lift it. Remove the power connector from the power window controls. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Then, remove the door lock connector. To do this, start by pulling on the red tab, then on the connector. Using a fork, remove the plastic cover located in the door handle. Then pull on it to disengage the retaining lugs from their slots. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, remove the handle retaining bolt. Using a fork, remove the plastic cover from the door armrest. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, unscrew the 2 retaining bolts. Next, using the same tool, unscrew the 2 lower door panel retaining screws. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it with the tool. Run along all 3 sides to disengage all clips. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. Hold the panel so as not to pull on the various cables. You can now unclip the door opening mechanism cable. Then unclip the electrical sheath from the door panel. Disconnect the central locking electrical connector by lifting the tab. Then, remove the panel. If any panel retaining clips remain on the inside of the door, remove them. Then put them back onto the panel. Using a fork, remove the 2 window frame retaining rivets. Then, using the car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic cover. Disconnect the electrical connector from the side view mirror by pressing the tab. Then, unclip the clips holding the wiring harness. You now have access to the 3 retaining nuts of the side view mirror. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a long 10mm socket, remove the 3 nuts.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Take off the side view mirror. You can order the tow mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the tow mirror. Remove the rubber protection. The side view mirror has 3 retaining bolts, while the tow mirror has 4. There are 2 solutions. Using a ratchet and a 12mm socket, unscrew the additional retaining bolt, then remove it. Put the rubber protection back on. Otherwise, you will need to drill a hole where indicated on the door. Take a suitable drill bit. Insert the tow mirror into its housing. Our tow mirror was manually operated, but if your mirror has electric controls, remember to run the power cable through the door. Then, screw the 3 nuts back on with a ratchet. Put the plastic cover back onto the window frame. Then, put the rivets back in place. For power-operated tow mirrors, reconnect the connector at this point. You can now remove the weather strip from the door panel by pulling it sideways to release it from the track. Retrieve the old retaining clips. And install them on the door. Put the weather strip back on the door. Bring the inner door panel closer and put the cable back in place. Reconnect the central locking connector. Then, lock it. Then put the retaining clip back in place. You can now put the door panel back in place, inserting it into the top track first. Press the entire door panel against the door to lock all the clips. Then, screw the lower door panel retaining screws back on. If they have fallen off during disassembly, retrieve the armrest retaining clips and put them in place. Then screw the retaining bolts back in. For the last one, insert a paper towel between the bolt and the socket to hold it in position and screw it back on more easily. Tighten the screw back into the door handle. Replace the plastic cover. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window controls. Put the controls back on, inserting the rear part of the control unit first. Put the plastic armrest cover back in place. Operation complete.